One of the biggest problems writers, publishers, and agencies face is plagiarism. If you don't know what plagiarism is, it is when you take someone else's work, ideas, or words and use them as your own without giving credit. It can happen in writing, schoolwork, business, art, or online content. Sometimes people do it on purpose, and sometimes it happens by mistake. But either ways, it is wrong and can lead to serious problems. But don't worry, I've got you covered in this video. I'm going to show you how to properly check for plagiarism using the tool that I use. If you're using AI to generate content for your website or blog, and you don't check for plagiarism, you could face penalties from Google, and this can stop your website or blog post from ranking in search results. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an accurate AI checker, plagiarism checker, and fact checker to make sure that your content is 100% unique and plagiarism free. My name is Charles. Let's get started. What most people do if they want to create content is to jump into ChatGPT and say, act as an experienced copywriter and write a highly engaging article about the impact of climate change on the economy. And they press enter. Boom. The AI generates the article, a full article without a second thought. They just rush, take the article and publish it. But here's the problem. If you do that, you could be at risk of copyright violation. And that's why it is so important to always run your AI generated content through a plagiarism checker. Even if the content comes from a freelancer, run it through a plagiarism checker. If it comes from an employee, you should always check before putting it out there. It is very important. Now, before I show you one of the most accurate plagiarism checkers to use, let's take a moment to understand how generative AI works. AI doesn't think or write like a human. Instead, it predicts one word at a time based on patterns it has learned from information available on the internet. And because of that, there's always a chance that the content it generates isn't entirely original. And that's exactly why using a trusted plagiarism checker is a must. It helps you make sure that your content is unique and safe to publish. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe and like this video. There are a lot of helpful videos on this channel. So to get started, I'm going to demonstrate by using an AI generated content on this platform right here, and also use content written by humans so you have an idea how it works. I've left the link to this tool in the description of this video. If you click the link, it's going to take you to this website. So as you can see, this website is an accurate AI checker, plagiarism checker, and fact checker that lets you publish with integrity. So if you're a website owner, a content writer, marketer, or publisher and stuff like that, this website is very useful. Now, as you can see, it's trusted by industry leaders: Neil Patel, Flipper, New York Times, The Guardian, Sofa, AA, AT&T, Walmart. All these, Business Insider, all these are industry leaders that trust this platform. If you scroll down, you can see that the platform also works for web publisher. Even if you're just a publisher, web publisher, you need this too because it will help future-proof your site from potential Google penalizing and all that, and copyright issues. You can also fact check stuff on your website, all right, and detect if content on your website was generated by AI and all that. And if you're a marketing agency and you manage a big team and need to verify large volume of content, this platform is also for you. And also if you're a writer, we know that some AI tools like ChatGPT can be a blessing and a curse. So it is always good to use this platform to check your content before publishing. Now, what we are going to do is to hit the sign up button. If you have not signed up, just hit sign up and sign up. So I'm going to log in because I've created an account. So I'm going to log in. Now, once you log in, you're going to be faced with this dashboard. Here, you can just click on Detect AI content to quickly scan a text for AI content, for plagiarism, and also for readability. There are a lot of things that you can scan for, and that's the great thing about this platform. So you can set it up. All right, just click on Detect AI content to get started. And also on the left side, if you click on Content Scanner, if you click this drop down here, you'll see My Content Scans. Now, this shows you all the contents that you have checked. Now, you can see here I've tried a bunch of content, and you can see the result here. It shows you the result after it, and you can go back, to edit and do what, maybe share the results with someone and all that. But we are not going to do that. So what we are going to do is to click on Start New Scan to quickly check. We are going to copy this from here. We're going to copy this. All right. We're going to copy, and then we're going to go to Originality AI and paste it here. Right. So you paste the content here. You check this AI check for it to check if it's AI generated. And you also check this part where it says plagiarism check. So that's going to check for plagiarism. And if you want to fact check this article here, you click here. If you want to check the readability, you click here. If you want to check for grammar, you click here. And once you're done with this, what you need to do is to press or click on scan. And it's going to scan this. Let's scan it, and boom, you can see the result. It's saying that it is likely AI, 100% confidence. So these two just told you that this content is AI generated, which is 100% correct, right? And as you can see here, it also gives you the score for plagiarism. And you can see that the score here is 0%, which is good. And fact checking, it did not fact check, not check, all right, NA. And then readability, 37%, which is okay. And for spelling and grammar, you can see 100% correct, which is good. So you can see this article. The only problem here is that it is likely AI generated. It is AI generated. In fact, we all know that. So if you don't want to post AI generated content, you have your answer. All right. If you want to post human-like content, maybe give it out to a freelancer, and freelancer promised you that, oh, I'm going to write a human-like article, and go straight to ChatGPT and generate an article and send to you. You can say, oh, this is the result. This is AI generated. I don't want this, which will save you money. Now, if we go to this website, like if we go to Bloomberg is a trusted website also. And if you go here, they put out really good articles. If you go here and copy this content, all right, we're going to try something. We're going to compare. We'll copy this content for the article. We are going to check if this content right here is AI generated or if it was human written, right? So we are going to copy this, and then we're going to go to Originality AI. Okay. We delete this and then paste it here, right? We pasted the content here. What we can do now is to scan this content to see if it is written or really written by a human. All right, let's try it. You can see here that it says 84% that this is likely human. All right, 84% that this content is likely human, which is absolutely insane. You can see that it showed you that, oh, this was written by a person, by a human being. It wasn't generated. Okay, this platform is really good, and you need to check. If you look at the top where it says plagiarism checker, you can see that the score is 93% match, which just shows us that this content, this article already belongs to someone else. All right, so we can't post this unless we are causing problems for ourselves. It might lead to problems or issues. All right, so let's just say a freelancer, an employee just gives you a content, a piece of content, and I'll say, oh, let's publish this and stuff like that, and you don't check it, you might be at risk. All right, you might be at high risk. But if you check it, you'll see that, oh, you'll be able to prevent things like copyright violation. Let's try another content from their platform and see what it gives us, right? So we just copy this part, and let's try this, a very short content, and check if it's AI generated again to see if it gives us 100% human generated content. And wow, you can see that this content is 100% likely original. It shows that it was generated by a human. So if you scroll down here, you can see this. It says that this score reflects our AI confidence that the content scanned was produced by an AI tool. All right, which is talking about this score here. A score of 90% original should be thought of as we are 90% confident that this content was generated or created by a human, and not 90% of the article is human and 10% AI. All right. So it's trying to say that this content here, 100% confidence that it is likely created by a human and not AI, which is great. You can try it out for yourself. Just click the link in the description to try out Originality AI, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in this next one. I did it for you, so check it out.